Hi, my name is Elaine Rio Donato. I am 28 years old. I live in Cabuyao, Laguna, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have two siblings and I am the eldest of my two siblings. I am married with five kids. My firstborn is 14 years old boy. The second is 11 years old girl. The third is 9 years old boy. The fourth is 7 years old girl. And the last one is 1 year and 6 months old girl. I don't have experience working abroad, but here in the Philippines, I experienced as all-around housemaid for 4 years. My main duties are taking care of children ages 3 and 7 years old. I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, dishwashing, and marketing. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and respectful person. To my future employer, I am excited to see you and to work with you and your family. I hope to see you soon. God bless you and your family. Thank you.